Hello guys, my name is Matthew and in today's video I'm going to show you how and when to use Zagustin. Let's see what the Zagustin actually does. Zagustin is a hemostatic drug. It basically prevents you from bleeding out from light and heavy bleeding. Use time is just 2 seconds, so it's very good for fast combat healing and actually getting ready for another fight. It helps up with your vitality, decrease your metabolism, and as I said, prevents new bleedings for 3 minutes. The downside is your hydration recovery is going down. So you will need to refill your hydration after using Zagustin, preferably. As I said, it's very easy to use. It's quite cheap. It's like 15,000 rubles at this point. And you can use it in every rate because quite often you get just a light or a heavy bleeds and there's basically no time for hemostat or you run out of medications. So it's very nice without greater downsides, and hopefully it will save you a lot of blood. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.